Hello everyone and welcome back to my to another episode from my tutorial series. In this episode I will explain another concepts of LUA programming language. This is the last episode that I explain in it some basics, some LUA basics, because yeah, we are done. We are done with basics, and by the next episode we'll start with multiplayer concepts, and I will explain in it difference between client and server side, because a lot of people are confused about them. And yeah, you may see also the intro that was played in the first of the video, yeah, till second 6. Yeah, this made by Anthony, so big thanks to him. He gave me it as a gift. I really love that guy, so yeah, special thanks for him. Our episode today will be about scopes. Yeah, when we talk about scopes, we talk about the local keyword, which we did not explain that yet. Yeah, basically scopes were made by LUA developers to don't make those who use LUA language and program using it and working using it confused about variables. So if you define a variable a equal something, anything, and then you write a lot of code and you forget about, yeah, maybe you forget about that variable here. So LUA founders make the local keyword to simplify the task for us. I will give an example. I will define a variable here, variable here, and will be string. I will define a function test and function name anything you want, without arguments, of course. We explained functions in the last episode, and yeah, I'm sorry. We will define a local. I'm sorry I did not publish any lesson in the last 2 weeks, because I have a lot of exams and I need to work hard for them. Yeah, again, I'm sorry. Output chat box and variable a basically, not I, and don't forget to do and basically we'll call test our function. We explained how to call a function in the last episode. And output chat box. Well, at the first time you see this code, you will say that a is hi and not hello, but for this block of code here, local is defined is where the local variable is defined. So the local a is just visible here and will not be visible anything else. It will be nil or the global variable here. So yeah, local variable is only visible in its block. Output chat box, and I will, this is the global variable basically, yeah, and we'll concatenate whatever it's called a, yeah. We'll save and we'll do restart. I started already the script also, yeah. And hello, this is our first variable, which is the local a here, because we called our functions, our function test, yeah. And the other one, the global variable, is hi. So yeah, they are separated. If we try to delta hi, this hi here, we'll get error or warning, because he will say, wait, let me debug script 3. Well, you will see an warning about this variable here. It's a nil value because it's not defined anywhere else. And yeah, this is defined only in this block. So basically they create that to just simplify the task for us. Yeah, I got the error, my script line 10, this is the line, attempt to concatenate global a in nil value. Yeah, so basically this is the nil value, and I think, yeah, it's out. Yeah, hello is on our chat box. It's visible here. Basically we can use local keywords to define a function inside the function, for example, like that. function blah or foo. Yeah, and yeah, this is the function inside the function. This is possible, in fact this is possible, and we can call this function here anywhere else, and this function is only visible in its block. Also, you can try, yeah, loops. For example, for I equal, wait, let me define a local I. So I will be just visible here for I equal 1 till 5 do, and so basically the I is only visible in its block, where in the block where it's defined. If you did not use local, well, it's defined in this block, but anyway. And if you use the local here, I equal 5 for example, or 4, in another file, it will not be defined. So I like that it's defined in all your script files. Of course, client or server, if you are working on server, it's defined on all your server files, on all your files, yeah, server files. And if you do local, it's only visible in this file here. Well, we'll get more on when we will learn more about LUA language and so on. So basically, I will define local b equal I plus, or not I, b equal b plus 1. Let me define another, if not b, then if b does not exist, then b equal, or local, well, local, so local b will be defined just, so this will not work. Also, we need to define this b here, b equal 1, and yeah, box, and not, yeah, those are separated b, so we need local b. Yeah, output chat box, index. Well, this is a random example just to show you how local keyword work, or scopes. Yep, index is I, and b is concatenate b. We use two dots to concatenate string to string, or number to string, or whatever you want. Yeah, maybe we will try right now. It's the same basically. What's going on? Well, for I local b, yeah, we did not call our function here. Test did not call our functions. Always we can call a function inside the function. Yeah, I index a and b. Yeah, you can see. Anyway, because local b is always defined here, it's constant. So yeah, basically understand this example here. Also, I said that we can call wait, just examples, because there is not a lot to talk about in this episode. So yeah, we talked about scopes. Let's talk more about functions. You can call foo here, yeah, and inside foo we can do output output chat box. Hello, I'm from foo. I'm no, test call me. Yeah, and basically we need to just call test. If we call test here, test will call foo, and foo will execute this output chat box here. Yeah, those techniques you need to learn to use program. Yeah, hello, test called me. Always there is another type of functions, which is, yeah, foo. You will get an error here, Stack Overflow. wait, let's call foo first. This is called the trail function. So what is trail function? Trail function is a function that calls itself so many, you can see here my script line 7, which is this line here, Stack Overflow. So the trail function, which is a function that calls itself every time. So foo call foo, and foo will call foo again, and foo will call foo again, and foo will call foo, and foo will call foo, and foo and foo. Anyway, you should understand that. This is called trail functions. Trail function, which trail function is a function that calls itself so many times, like that, which is infinite calling of functions. So this is called Stack Overflow or trail function. Try to did not do that. Basically, this is an infinite calling of functions. So I think that is it for this episode. Don't forget, in the next episode this is the last episode of LUA Basics. Don't forget, in the second episode we'll start talking about multiplayer concepts, and I will explain the difference between client and server side. So this is the last episode basically in LUA scripting basics. We'll start about MTASA, functions, multiplayer concepts, as I said before, client and server side, and there is a lot to learn. I think by ending this episode, if you watch all the last episodes, basically you are done with LUA basics. So you are now ready to start with another functions, another exciting things, another interesting thing that you will find more enjoyable, and you will enjoy it. I agree with you that those episodes are very boring and so on, but without them we cannot script, we cannot be professional scripters. So basically you need to learn all of those boring stuff to start with new exciting things and interesting things. So I will see you in the next time. Basically, have a fantastic week, and have a nice day. Bye. Goodbye.
Like a lady, there's a powerful, rugged waiting.